Today, we're discussing something essential for keeping your Android device secure: permission management. With apps often requesting access to sensitive information, it's crucial to know how to control what permissions you grant. We're going to dive into some of the best permission manager apps available that help you take charge of your app permissions and protect your privacy. Let's get started. Permission Manager Android. Permission Manager Android is a user-friendly app designed to help users manage and control the permissions granted to applications on their devices. This app provides a straightforward interface that lists all installed apps along with the permissions they require. Users can easily view which permissions are granted and can revoke any unnecessary access with just a few taps. The app also offers detailed explanations of what each permission entails, helping users make informed decisions about their privacy and security. This makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their control over app permissions. Permission Manager Dashboard. Permission Manager Dashboard serves as a comprehensive hub for tracking and managing app permissions on your Android device. This app features a clear and organized dashboard that displays a summary of permissions based on categories, such as location, camera, and storage access. Users can quickly identify apps that have excessive permissions and decide which ones to modify or remove. The app also sends notifications for apps requesting new permissions, ensuring that users stay informed. With its intuitive design, Permission Manager Dashboard is great for those who want to keep their privacy in check without diving deep into Android settings. App Permission Manager. App Permission Manager is a reliable tool that helps users manage permissions for all installed applications effectively. The app offers easy navigation through a list of applications, showing the permissions they are granted in a simple format. Users can quickly revoke permissions that they feel are unnecessary or invasive. Additionally, this app allows users to group apps by permission type, providing a quick overview of which apps access certain features, such as camera or microphone. With this clarity, users can make conscious choices about their privacy while using different applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your device safe. Which app are you looking forward to trying? Let us know. Until next time, stay secure.